I'm pretty sure you've heard the saying that time in the market is more valuable than timing the market. Never more true than with bonds. With their relatively low risk and coupon payments, bonds can find a perfect fit in most portfolios. Time is money, and we at Simple Sheets want to help you easily pick the right investment so you can spend more time in the market. This template cuts down to the chase. All you see is all you need to make the right investment decision. Simply input the pertinent details of the bond you're analyzing in these yellow cells. Input the bond's par value, coupon rate, years to maturity, yield to maturity, and the frequency of payments, whether quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Below, it gives you the interest rate, coupon payment, and the number of periods, and even further below, you will see the bond's price at maturity. For a more in-depth analysis, we move over to the right, where we have the coupon payment schedule so you can see and plan your future potential income, as well as the perceived present value per period, and further to the right, we can see the comparison between the coupon payments and the accumulated present value of the coupon payments throughout the bond's lifetime. Be your own fund manager with an Excel template from Simple Sheets. If you want to get this template, you can sign up to Simple Sheets in the link down below and try 5 Excel templates for free. If you found this video useful, please do leave us a like, as it greatly helps us create content like this, and make sure you subscribe to Simple Sheets for more Excel and Google Sheets tips and templates. I'll see you guys on the next one.